The network marketing profession is really at a crossroads right now. It's undergoing a fundamental shift. And I think the shift is primarily centered around the role that social media plays in people's businesses. I think over the last 3 to 5 years that a lot of people and a lot of companies have experienced these kind of meteoric rises in their businesses using social media almost exclusively. I mean, there are many people, I'm sure, that are watching this video that have built incredible businesses and six-figure, multiple six-figure, and even some cases seven-figure incomes almost completely using Facebook to grow their business. And I think that's great, but I think that what we're all starting to realize is that's changing. Social media is changing, the way that we have to use it is changing, the rules of the game are changing. And I think what I see happening is I see this almost complete dependence on social media to grow your business. And now a lot of people are seeing diminished marketing efforts. What they were doing a couple of years ago just doesn't work anymore. And I think that these diminished results are really causing people to freak out. And what they're starting to understand is that there's a big missing piece in the development of themselves and their businesses. And I think where this is really starting to undergo a fundamental shift is a lot of leaders are realizing that they haven't really developed themselves enough to maintain and sustain the success. And I think what I teach in the philosophy that I started, this thing that we call the legacy leader movement, is that network marketing is really a character development program with a compensation plan attached to it. And character it's who you are in your business. It's leadership. Leadership and character development are the same thing. And character it's who you are on the inside. Your personality is who you are on the outside. And I think the world that we live in social media today, we live in this personality-driven world where we have this vision of success, this like perfectly scripted life that people live on social media that's all personality-driven, and it creates almost this mindset of like an unattainable result. And what I think has wound up happening is this constant quest for perfection and more has really created a scarcity mentality in a lot of people. And I think that this scarcity mindset, without them realizing it, is one of the things that's holding them back. But here they are, they've hit this wall. The things they're doing on social media are not working anymore, and they don't know what to do. And I think the answer is you have to stop looking at Facebook changing the algorithm again as your problem, and you have to start looking inside of yourself. You are the problem. Leadership has always been and always will be the number one challenge you have in your business. And I think if we can look inside of ourselves and we can teach people that to the degree that you grow yourself, success is a matter of being, it is not a matter of doing, it's a matter of character. To the degree that you can develop strong character, to that degree you wind up getting what you want in life. And I think it's really starting to change the conversation around how we use social media. Social media in and of itself is not the silver bullet, right? What I like to call the post and pray method of building your business, where you just sit on there all day long and post and just hope and pray that somebody wants to join you. Those days are over. Spamming people's inboxes. People are sick of it. They don't want to see it any longer. So as a profession, we need to evolve. We need to change. And I think we need to put social media in its right perspective. It's a tool. Social media in and of itself is not your entire business. It's a way for you to put yourself out there. It's an incredible way to put yourself out there if you know how to use it, but it's not in and of itself your entire business. I think what we need to teach people to focus on is really developing themselves and their character. And here's what I know about character development. Character is not developed hiding behind your computer screen. Character is only developed, you're only going to grow by putting yourself out there, pushing past your fears and being courageous and pushing into uncertainty in that uncomfortable area. And to the degree that we're willing to do that, we grow. And I think so what I'm really looking to do is I'm looking to just change the conversation around what you need to do to be successful. And I think I believe in all of my heart that network marketing is the best profession in the world. But I think that we really need to be honest with ourselves that a lot of the problems that we face today, because I don't think it's a secret that a lot of people that are not in this profession, they don't look that favorably at it. And I like to say it's not so much that they look down on network marketing, they look down on network marketers. And they look down on the way that people with these spammy, salesy practices on social media, they look down on the way that we build our business. So we've created the problem ourselves, but that's not a bad thing because that means we can fix it. And I think if we can start to teach people a different way to go out and approach their business, a different mindset, right? That it's not just about what you can accomplish. It's not just about this never-ending quest for more, hitting that next rank, getting that next check, thinking, because this is what scarcity does to us, that the solution to our problems and our happiness lies in a rank advancement or a bonus check. It doesn't. You're never going to feel fulfilled if you have this achievement mindset. It's this never-ending quest for more. What we have to learn how to do is we have to start to look inside of ourselves, and we have to start adopting more of a purpose-driven approach to our business, tap into a deeper meaning, and look at our business as a way not just for us to get more, but for us to give more. And I think that, I believe that the world needs network marketing. There's a lot of people hurting out there. There's a tremendous lack of character in our leaders in the world today. There's a lot of people hurting out there, and I think that we have this gift of personal development and growth and being able to inspire people that we can give to the people around us. And I think that we have a really great responsibility to use that in the right way.